Hey everybody, welcome back to Crafty Corner Pro Max. You know me, I love to build, I love to make, and I truly believe in the power of making to change your life. But you know what doesn't spark joy? Trying to create in a chaotic mess. Today we're tackling a topic near and dear to my heart, workspace organization. Now, I used to think a little clutter was just a sign of a busy maker, right? Wrong! It turns out a well-organized workspace is like a superpower. It can supercharge your productivity, ignite your creativity, and just make the whole making process more enjoyable. Whether you're a woodworking wizard with a dedicated workshop or a weekend warrior crafting in a corner of the garage, this video is for you. We're diving deep into the nitty-gritty of turning your workspace into an organized oasis of making magic. All right, before we even think about grabbing a pegboard or building a fancy new tool cabinet, we got to do the hard part, confronting the current state of our workspace. I know nobody likes this part, but trust me, it's like ripping off a band-aid. It's going to sting a little, but then we can start fresh. First things first, grab your phone or a camera and take a good hard look at your workspace. Where are the clutter hotspots? What tools always seem to go missing? Be honest with yourself. Is that pile of scrap wood really going to become a masterpiece someday? When you're in the middle of a project, what drives you bonkers? Is it constantly digging through drawers for the right drill bit? Is it tripping over clamps? Write all this down. Remember, this isn't about judging yourself or your space. It's about identifying pain points so we can create a workspace that works better for you. All right, now that we've faced the music and assessed our workspace, it's time to declutter. This is where the magic really starts to happen. We're talking about transforming your workspace from a disaster zone into a Zen garden of making. First up, let's talk categorization. Just like in a museum, everything in your workspace deserves a designated spot. Start by grouping similar items together. Screwdrivers with screwdrivers, clamps with clamps, you get the picture. Now it's time to channel our inner Marie Kondo and ask ourselves the tough questions. Do these random screws and bolts spark joy? Has this rusty old paint can served its purpose? Be honest. If you haven't used something in over a year, it's probably time to say goodbye. Clear off those workbenches, shelves, and even the floor. A clean slate not only looks amazing, but also gives you more room to actually work. Once you've decluttered, take a moment to bask in the glory of your accomplishment. Okay, we've decluttered, we've categorized. Now it's time for the fun part. Designing a workspace layout that maximizes efficiency and, dare I say it, sparks joy. First, consider your workflow. Think about the different stages of your projects and how you move through your workspace. Do you have a dedicated area for cutting? What about sanding or finishing? By mapping out your typical workflow, you can create designated zones for each activity. Next, let's talk tool placement. Keep your most frequently used tools within arm's reach of your primary work area. For those tools you only use occasionally, consider storing them a bit further out of the way. The goal is to minimize unnecessary movement and maximize efficiency. And don't underestimate the power of good lighting. Natural light is fantastic, so if you have windows, make the most of them. Once you've got your layout dialed in, it's time to tackle the next level of workspace organization storage solutions. All right, we've decluttered, we've designed a killer workspace layout, now it's time to talk storage. This is where we get to geek out on all the cool ways to keep our tools and materials organized and accessible. First up, let's talk wall space. Pegboards are a classic for a reason. They're affordable, versatile, and you can customize them to your heart's content. Use them to hang tools, organize small parts in bins, or even create a dedicated charging station for your power tools. Next, let's roll into the world of mobile tool carts. These are a lifesaver for smaller workspaces or if you need to move your tools around frequently. Look for carts with sturdy wheels, ample storage space, and maybe even a built-in power strip for added convenience. But don't forget about those drawers. Drawer organizers are a game changer for keeping things tidy and easy to find. Use dividers to separate tools, trays for small parts, and maybe even a little non-slip liner to keep things from sliding around. Up next, we're going full DIY and building our own custom storage solutions. Get your tools ready, it's about to get crafty. All right, we're going fully down the rabbit hole of organization because now we're building our own storage solutions. This is where we get to combine our love of making with our passion for organization. Let's start with a custom tool rack. Whether you go with a traditional pegboard design or get fancy with a French cleat system, a well-designed tool rack can transform your wall space into a thing of beauty and efficiency. Next up, let's build a folding workbench. This is a game changer for smaller workspaces, as it gives you a dedicated work surface that can be easily tucked away when not in use. And for those tiny but essential bits and bobs, let's create a small parts organizer. This could be as simple as a divided drawer insert or as elaborate as a multi-tiered storage system with clear containers. The goal is to keep those pesky screws, nails and washers organized and easily accessible. Now that we've got our storage game on point, let's talk about the long game, maintaining your organized workspace. Chapter 6. Maintaining your workspace organization is a marathon, not a sprint. Okay, we've decluttered, we've organized, we've built custom storage solutions. Now what? Well, the truth is, organization isn't a one-time event, it's a lifestyle. But don't worry, it doesn't have to be a chore. By incorporating a few simple habits and routines, you can keep your workspace tidy and efficient without breaking a sweat. First and foremost, clean as you go. I know, it's tempting to leave those sawdust piles and paint splatters for later. But trust me, future you will be so grateful if you take a few minutes to tidy up after each crafting session. Next, embrace the power of the everything in its place mantra. When you're finished using a tool, put it back where it belongs. Consider implementing a weekly workspace reset. Spend 15 to 20 minutes each week putting away stray tools, wiping down surfaces, and generally getting things back in order. Remember, maintaining an organized workspace is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Chapter 7. Advanced Organization. Level up your workspace game. All right, you've mastered the basics of workspace organization. Now it's time to level up our game with some next-level tips and tricks. These are the secrets that will transform your workspace from organized to extraordinary. First up, label everything, and I mean everything. Use a label maker, masking tape, a Sharpie, whatever works for you. Labeling not only makes it easy to find what you're looking for, but also helps you maintain your organizational system over time. Next, embrace the power of technology. There are tons of amazing apps and digital tools out there to help you organize your projects, track your inventory, and even create interactive floor plans. Now let's get creative with our furniture. Look for multifunctional pieces that can serve multiple purposes. A rolling tool cart can double as a side table, while a wall-mounted cabinet can house both tools and craft supplies. In the final chapter, we'll explore the incredible satisfaction and benefits of a well-organized workspace and how to overcome common organizational challenges. Chapter 8. The satisfaction of organization. Reap the rewards of your hard work. Congratulations, you've made it to the final chapter. By now, your workspace should be a shining beacon of organization, a testament to your dedication to creating a space that supports your creativity and productivity. So, let's take a moment to celebrate the incredible satisfaction and benefits of a well-organized workspace. First and foremost, think about all the time you'll save. No more frantic searching for misplaced tools or digging through mountains of clutter. With an organized workspace, you can spend less time tidying and more time doing what you love making. Beyond the practical benefits, an organized workspace can work wonders for your mental state. A clutter-free environment promotes a sense of calm and focus, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your creative flow. And let's not forget the pride that comes with a well-maintained workspace. It's a reflection of your dedication to your craft and a testament to your organizational prowess. Remember, organization is a journey, not a destination. Organization equals satisfaction. Go forth and create. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to proving that organization equals satisfaction. We've covered everything from decluttering and designing efficient layouts to building custom storage solutions and embracing advanced organizational techniques. By decluttering, designing efficient layouts, and embracing clever storage solutions, you can transform your workspace into a haven of creativity and productivity. Remember, an organized workspace is more than just a tidy space. It's a reflection of your dedication to your craft and a catalyst for unleashing your full creative potential. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crafty Corner Pro Max. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite organizational tip or hack, and let us know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and remember, When your workspace is in order, your creativity knows no bounds. Until next time, happy crafting.